Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, almost definitely welcome. So it is with sad heart to announce the passing away of Gogo, skhotheni's son, Monde Jr. Shange. So she released a statement saying that the Monde and Shange families confirmed the passing of Monde Jr. Shange. Monde Jr. departed this life at 3 on Monday, September 2nd, 2024. The families kindly request privacy as they navigate this painful loss. We ask for your understanding and compassion in giving them the space they need during this difficult time of grieving. Psalms 23 verse 4 reminds us, even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. It is very sad, and considering that they are also going through a lot, the parents are also going through a lot, and may this death brings them peace and also love between them. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like this child has been through a lot since birth, and Gogo skhotheni is a very strong woman, considering that she was always in and out of the hospital, going there and staying sometimes for a long time.